Hey everybody, it's Matt. So I am here at Hartsville-Jackson Airport and just about to get on my flight. Just thought I'd have a beverage as I'm doing some video editing. But I'll be heading out to Tampa and then to St. Pete. So stay tuned and I'll fill you in. Hey everybody, it's Matt, the Budget Backpacker, and I made it to St. Pete. Here is my room. It's very simple. I have a closet, and there's a bathroom down the hall, but yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect for what I need, and I'm excited. We'll go out and get me a bite to eat, and check out the scenery, and show you around town, so stay tuned. We're here at the Ale and the Witch brewery, and we're sitting outside right now. Todd and Jennifer went to go get a coffee, but I am sitting here, and I'm in St. Pete. Worked today down at the sailing docks, and pretty tiring work, but I'm glad it's over. But I'll see if I can get them on the video soon, but stay tuned for more. Oh, there they are! Good to see you guys! Okay. $1 a beer. Oh, wow. Thanks, man. That's a brotherly move. Look at all the beers you got. There's a lot of beers. Very cool. Why do you like this place, Goat?
Because it's craft beer from all over the country, and they really, that's all they do. They don't mess around. They serve some snacks, but they don't serve food here. They don't do anything like that. It's like a brewery for the whole country. This is a concept. It's a chalkboard. Over here, they have live music here. Usually, they have live music here on Sundays. I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe a Father's Day fiasco, but see the live music schedule.
Oh,
so you can always catch it. And
yeah, stay tuned for more. T-Bone, how are you feeling about it today? Good? Yeah. Babe.
Here we are.
I make videos. So, Tommy, I'm a video blogger. So what they call that is vlogging. So we're vlogging. So I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to take it.
He's going to cut your head off and put it on the
Hey everybody, it's Matt. I am here this morning at Sailing Florida Charters. That's where I'm doing my sailing work. And you can see all the boats. Pretty cool. What's going on? Good morning. I am here with the other crew, or the rest of the crew of Sailing Florida Charters, which is where I'll be working this month. I'm down here in St. Pete. As you can see, it's just awesome boat after awesome boat. Just so many great boats. It's really neat to be down here working with such fine craft. Try to make some recordings through the day, but stay tuned. Just wanted to give you a quick walk around. So what I'm doing here at Sailing Florida Charters is just helping them clean boats, get them ready for the next charters, and just get them ready to sail. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is a huge boat. I believe it's a Genoa, and it's big. It's got 4 staterooms, or 3 staterooms, 2 heads. Got a full kitchen situation. You got your captain's chair for plotting. You got a nice area to sit. There is air conditioning on right now, which I don't know if I'd be able to make it down here if it wasn't super hot. But this is the master bedroom, which I'm cleaning right now. And this door opens also, so you can have full entry. But just wanted to give you a taste of what I do here. I love this job. It's great, and I'm glad that they welcomed me back. So I'm just going to get back to work. Just wanted to give you a quick shot of what I do. It's Wednesday. I am here in the morning. It's about 11 o'clock. Sundial. It's kind of a little famous area here in St. Pete where there's a lot of shops and restaurants. But yeah, really cool sundial thing there. And then the path goes on and goes over to more shops. So just thought I'd give you a shot of downtown St. Pete. We'll have some more coming up.